Wow, look at this place. The supermarket is so big today. Yes.
It is huge.
Whew.
There are many new things inside.
Mom, Dad, can we go inside now?
Please. Okay, children, hold my hand. We will go inside together. Remember, stay close to us.
Wow, this place is really huge. I can't wait to go inside more. It smells so good in here. There is bread, fruits, and fresh cookies.
Look at these lights. Everything is bright and clean.
Yes, and the floors are shiny. But be careful, okay? It is red and shiny.
Ah.
They say it can clean the whole house in just one go. This dishwasher could save me a lot of time. I could bake cookies every weekend without washing plates. These plates are really pretty too. Blue with white flowers. I like them.
Anna, Tom, come here for a minute. Anna, Tom, come here for a minute. And this phone Prasad, the camera is really sharp. You can take clear pictures of everything. Anna, let's run over to that aisle.
There are many toys there. Hey, wait for me, Anna.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Anna, are you okay?
Yes, Mom. I am fine. But the floor is slippery.
You are not allowed to run in the supermarket. Slippery floors can be very dangerous.
We're sorry, Mom. We won't run in the supermarket again. We promise. We're sorry, Mom.
Good children. Always walk slowly and hold hands if needed.
Wow! That toy airplane looks so cool! It is red and blue with big wings. They are so high on the shelf. I almost got it. Maybe I can climb a little bit. Just a little.
Hey, buddy, stop right there.
You should not climb on the shelf, buddy. Shelves can fall at any time. You should always ask an adult for help. I can get it for you.
I'm so sorry, Dad. I was excited. It's okay.
Here is the toy airplane. But next time, ask first. Safety is important.
Mom, Mom, the apples look really fresh and red.
Important.
Mom, the apples look really fresh and red.
Yes, they are fresh from the farm. We can buy some for home.